product was sent out to me to test and to give you guys my honest feedback. So instead of having a big, huge plastic jug taking up a lot of space with liquid that spills and leaks all over the place, these are laundry detergent sheets. So these are liquidless. And most importantly, they don't have any harsh chemicals like dyes, parabens, phthalates, preservatives, or brighteners. If you're sensitive to fragrance, they do have a fragrance-free version. This is the fresh scent. And to be honest, it wasn't that strong, but it was still really pleasant. Depending on the size of your load, you may use a half sheet versus a whole sheet. The material is pretty thin. It doesn't feel like tissue paper, but it's not super thick either. I ran the same normal cycle that I would even if I were using the typical laundry detergent, and the sheets came out fine. I didn't notice any residue or greasy looking stains on the sheets. The smell was a bit subtle. If you do decide to go with these sheets, just remember if you use subscribe and save, you can save a little bit on your order, but a little bit adds up fast.